Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create contact on Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM is a customer relationship management platform that helps businesses track leads, customers and deals. Adding contacts lets you keep customer information centralized, track communication, link contact to deals, tasks and activities. You can add contacts manually or import them in bulk, but if you focus on manual creation, first open to one of the web browsers that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down zoho.com and enter it. And once you reach into this Zoho, over here on the right hand side, we can find to this CRM, select to this CRM. And over here, scroll a bit down and select to this Access Zoho CRM. And over here on the left hand side, just below the sales of it, you need to select to this contact. And over here, what you can do is you can create contact in the top right corner. So over here, you need to fill in the contact details, enter the contact information in the form. Common field include your first name, your account name, email, phone number, company name, designation, and only the required fields, usually the first name or last name or email, are mandatory. An associated contact, but also link the contact to the deals, and you can also associate contact with the other records, which is optional. You can link the contact to the deals, and after that you can simply save it in the top right corner. That is it, and verify the contact in your list. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.